All right, good evening, folks. My name is Mansi, Talwar, Executive Director for Utilities, Energy, and Engineering, and welcome to my neighborhood. I live here most weekdays, and I would share lots of restaurants with you if you're interested. So my topic today is stakeholder engagement in higher education to develop a successful project. We can move along to the next slide. So I started at GW just over 2 years ago, and in my week 2, I said we should be working on an energy savings performance contract. And the reaction was, haha, that's not going to happen. GW has tried this forever, and it's not going to get approved. And so I was a silly person trying to reinvent the wheel that was invented several times, and I was like, I will make this change in GW. So I developed this project that you can see on the map here with lots of energy efficiency measures that will help reduce the campus energy by 4 to 6%, which is significant for 8 million square feet. And that also includes the renewable energy. And it took me my entire 2 years to actually get buy-in for it. And I'm here to talk about some of the success stories that came out of it. Higher education can have a lot of players, and it's important to have the buy-in and also have a down-up approach. So, what were the driving forces to make this project get to where it was is all of these driving forces, which were basically goals that different departments and stakeholders had, and taking the time to listen to them. I really didn't hire a stakeholder engagement coordinator or anything. I did it all by myself, reaching out to people. That's why it took 2 years to do that, right? And it's very clear that sustainability impact was a goal from the Office of Sustainability. Deferred maintenance was a goal of the facilities team. Energy management was a goal from my team. And risk management was important for my boss because we need to make sure that we are open for business for students and we are not doing construction. Not to forget the lead times for equipment that has been an issue right now. So it's how to find a common ground and get to where we want to be to have a successful project. And this looks like a very straightforward process, but it was really like this. And really starting at the boots on the ground. I created a building energy benchmarking subcommittee, invited all the people who thought this was important. That includes an HVAC technician, that includes a director of operations for our central plant, includes a facility person, sustainability, and so on and so forth, and really hearing them out on what their goals are, what their issues are, what are the most important buildings for my HVAC technician. What is keeping them up at night? That's important for me to know so I can really tackle a lot of these projects together at once when we are spending so much money. And really working my way up on educating them about the goals that we need to meet in terms of energy efficiency, and then incorporating what their goals are as well. Because at the end of the day, we are one team, and we need to make sure we are all successful in it. And I heard somebody say, well, that'll be a Christmas gift for me if you can actually help me with this building. So that being said, it's more of the top, bottom up approach which I took, and I couldn't get through the slide, but happy to talk more. Thank you.